channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're super excited to have you here. As you can tell, we are recording a travel version of No Tag Tuesday. We are crunched on time as always. Our life is 100% complete chaos no matter how far in advance we try to plan. The sad thing is we wrote these questions, so you think, yeah, anyways, whatever. So we're doing travel edition. These were questions created by Steve and myself, and they are called Your Age is Showing questions. The reason we chose that is because Steve's birthday is on Wednesday. Right, guys? Yes. It is. Yep.
Okay.
You're going to be, yeah, we're not going to talk about it. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get started on these questions because I don't know how long we're going to be able to keep recording because the roads are just a little bit slippery. We do have the questions on Steve's phone here, so I'm going to be reading all the questions and then we're all going to share our answers. All right. Ava, you want to answer first?
No.
Okay. The first question is, do you go by a nickname? Ava, do you go by a nickname?
Multiple.
Which ones?
Lou, Chubbo,
Lou, Chubbo, Ava Beva, and Rue.
I call her Lulu.
Yep. How about you, Ariana?
Nana.
You go by Nana?
Yeah.
And Oriental. Grandma Grape used to call you Oriental.
Yep.
Steve, how about you?
SpongeBob.
And Patty.
Or Dad.
Dad is a nickname. True.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, yep. And then in high school it was Stony. Not because I did drugs.
Right.
I imitated Pauly Shore and the Luffy and Snail Mail.
I can name some of his nicknames.
Real quick, Ava.
Stu and Stefano, because you call him Stefano.
Call him Stefano when I want to buy something, don't I?
Yes.
Oh, and Mr.
Yes.
Chouse.
Mr. Chouse.
Mr. Chouse, that's
Yep.
my new one, yep.
So my nicknames, I guess Jenn is actually one of my nicknames because my real name or my full name is Jennifer, but everybody calls me either Jenn or Jenny. And then Chaos Jenn would be another one of my popular nicknames at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
All right, question number 2. Are you named after anyone? Ava, are you named after anyone?
My middle name is
Your middle name is named after who?
Jeff Lynn. My middle name is Lynn. Father told me that.
Yeah. Well, Grandpa Steve's middle name is Lynn. Dad's middle name is Lynn, and your middle name is Lynn, but they're all three spelled different.
Yep.
All right.
Mine's Lynnne.
Yep. Steve, are you named after anyone?
Yes, I'm named after my dad, whose name is Steve as well. But the only thing that separates us and why I'm not a junior is because our middle names are spelled different. His is Lynn, mine is Lynn.
Yep. All right. Ariana, are you named after anyone?
Kevin says I'm named after somebody in a book, but I'm still not old enough to read that book.
He didn't tell me that when we picked your name, so I wonder who it is.
Yeah.
I am nice, and I am not named after anybody. All right, question number 3. What show do you wish could come back from your childhood?
Honestly, Lala Lucy's like they rebooted it. I hate the rebooted.
La La Loopsy, the older one. Ariana? See?
Original Transformers.
Yes.
Original, not this crap that they got going on nowadays.
And I don't really have a specific I don't really have a specific TV show, but I wish they would bring back the TGIF shows, like Full House and Family Matters, Perfect Strangers, all the shows that they used to watch on Friday nights. I wish they'd bring back to Friday nights because I think that was just a nice little start to the weekend. None?
I have a few. So, Wow Wow loves you. Because I always get the song stuck in my head. Powerpuff Girls. Teen Titans. The original, not this new one. Sweet Life of Zack and Cody.
Yeah. You did watch those a lot.
Or High School Musical.
Yeah.
I know all this.
Okay, question number 4. If you could be any cartoon character, who would you be?
Ava?
Patrick.
Patrick Star?
Okay.
He did Famous Cable Day, so
Ariana
Bubbles.
from Powerpuff Girls.
Bubbles or Raven.
Yeah.
Optimus Prime for me.
Don't see that.
Yep.
Who would I want to be cartoon character
I
wise?
thought you were going to spend SpongeBob. That is just
What's the big baker guy in Chowder that goes rado rado rado?
I don't know. That would be me. That's kind of how I sound when I'm baking. So the baker guy from Chowder.
Yeah.
Okay. Question number 5. If you could get back any article of clothing you once wore, what would it be?
Did I have that one dress that I really loved wearing? It was like the blue flower and it's like made out of like lace and that.
Yeah, you did have a. Yes, you did. It was an Easter dress.
Yep.
We have a family picture of you in it.
Yep.
And pictures of you in it.
Yeah. You want that dress back?
Yes.
I will post a picture right here of Ava in that dress in our family picture. Weren't we
I
cute?
was tiny.
Yeah, she was.
And I was missing like teeth.
Yep. Ariana?
The Pikachu shirt that Dad got me. We always played the Pikachu game that had a microphone with it.
Okay.
All
Steve?
right. I got this. It was like neon purple. I guess you would call it a tracksuit, I guess.
Oh, gee.
And it said no fear on the front. I got it when I went to Myrtle Beach. I wish I could have that thing back.
Wasn't it one of the shiny, like,
Yes.
reflective, like, wasn't it Oakley?
No, it was no fear. It was.
No, that was the brand?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, it had matching pants and everything. I looked terrible. I don't have any pictures
I
I
was
showed
going
you
to say,
guys.
I
but
definitely don't have pictures of that.
no, but yes, I would love to have that back just for the shock value.
Yeah. I feel like people are wearing those nowadays again, though. Like the tracksuits.
Mm-hmm.
I saw a lady, remember when we went to Top Golf and there was that lady in the green tracksuit with the bright yellow high heels?
Yep.
You should definitely pull out your heels and wear those. again,
Oh, I
too.
should, yes.
Yes. Okay. So mine is actually not something I want to bring back because I still have it. I just wish I could wear them again. And they are the bell bottoms that my mom gave me that she used to wear in college. And I wore them all through high school and then quickly grew out of them. I'd like to fit in them again. I can't imagine why. Stinking kids.
Not me.
It's Steve's fault.
Yeah, it's my
Steve
fault.
done made me fat.
Yeah, I did.
All right, question number 6. If you could hear anyone in history give a speech, who would you like to hear? Ava? Abraham Lincoln? Why?
I don't know.
It'd just be kind of cool, right?
Yeah, I just felt about making slaves.
Okay.
Cool.
None?
I need a minute.
Steve?
I would say either Jesus' Sermon on the Mount
Oh.
or when Moses came down with the Ten Commandments.
Yes, I'm going with those two. Definitely.
I think those would
That would be
awesome.
insane. Or any. I would like to see the baptism of Jesus.
Ooh, yeah.
And there's just me wanting to listen to Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah, well, you know, priorities.
That's okay. Okay.
I guess a baptism isn't necessarily a speech, but it kind of is.
Yes.
Okay. None?
Walt Disney.
Yeah, that would be a cool one too. Walt Disney. All right, question number 7. What is your favorite childhood memory?
Let me think.
All right. None?
Dad letting me do it here.
Yeah.
Yes, you guys always did a great job too.
Yep.
Me? Since I always usually pick the Christmas one, I'm gonna go with going to Pennsylvania with my family and spending time with all my cousins up in my grandma's hunting camp.
Yes.
That was a blast.
Mine's
Lots of memories.
similar. Oh, sorry, go ahead.
No, it's just lots of memories that were made up there.
Yeah. And mine would have been Girl Scout camp. My whole life revolved around going to Girl Scout camp from the time I was 9 years old until I was 16, I think is when I stopped going. Maybe 16 or 17. My whole life. Like, my whole year I would just plan for things I was going to do at Girl Scout camp for the summer. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, Ava?
Can't wait just
Just,
Camping. We had some good times camping, didn't we?
yes. We got some videos
We'll
of
have
it.
some more.
One time to an emergency room. I don't know who that was.
Yeah.
I don't know who could have gotten a concussion on a tire swing and we had to take her to the emergency room.
It's not my fault. It's Sebastian.
Mhm.
Yeah, her brother swung her just a little too hard on a tire swing.
Close my eyes.
Found out Ava could not fly.
Can I see what
She might have flown farther if she didn't run into the pole with her head.
That's true. The pole hadn't been there to, yeah,
There's that.
that's
What,
true.
Nan?
Can I say one more?
Yeah?
When you helped me dress up as a dog with your
Yeah.
first order.
That was cute.
Awesome.
All right. Question number 8. What was my first cell phone?
Dad, I think it was like it was an iPhone. It was an SE6.
Yes.
SE6?
Yes.
6SE.
It was a mini.
The little one.
No, it's the iPhone 5.
Yep. And what happened to that iPhone, Ava?
It fell in the bathtub.
Yep. Decided to go swimming.
Nan?
None?
Well, Grandma Pat got me a trap phone. It was just a normal 11-digit
I think we got you one before that, though.
Yes, we did.
We got you that Firefly one,
Firefly.
Nan. And you took it to school for one day and either lost it or gave it to somebody else.
Yeah. Well, the truth's out.
They could have given it back because that was expensive.
And that's one that I remember is that BlackBerry type phone that Dad gave me.
Yeah. What was ours, Steve? Because I know we had the same kind. It was a Nokia.
Yep.
Yeah.
The old Nokia that you could remove the faceplates
Yeah.
and change them out and everything.
I had the Hawaiian print. And then you lost yours. And just so, I mean, since you're going to pick on Ava, how did you lose yours, Steve?
I'm not. Nope.
Oh, I'll tell. He was running across the street and it fell out of his pocket and landed in the middle of the street. And he turned around to go get it. And as soon as he saw it, a car ran over it.
On purpose too, because that guy looked right at me and he knew exactly what I was going for too.
Darn those people.
Remember how I got my iPhone taken away?
Which one? The one I threw in the toilet? Yep. Don't text and drive. I will throw your phone in the toilet.
In my defense, I was stuck.
You
Doesn't
were
matter.
not. You were going through the housing edition.
All right.
All right. What is the first book you remember reading?
I don't know.
We're still working on her first book.
Hasn't quite got one. through
Just
one yet.
kidding. First book. Let's think. What is the first book Ava ever read to us? Wasn't it Cat in a Hat or Green Eggs and Ham?
I was thinking it was like the Goodnight Moon or something.
Yes.
Didn't she used to
Wasn't
read
it
that one?
Goodnight Moon, Lou?
I don't
I
know.
think so. I think it was
I
Goodnight
think it was a
Moon.
Goodnight Moon.
That she can actually read to us.
Yeah. Nan?
Yep.
I'm making sure that I have the correct head.
All right, Steve. Do you remember yours?
Yeah, the one that I can remember reading and not read to was Celery Stalks at Midnight.
Celery Stalks at Midnight.
Yep, part of the Banicula.
Okay. Okay. Ava? I mean Ariana?
The Charlie Bone series. Aunt Angie got it for me.
Mm-hmm. And my very first book that I remember reading, I must have been young because I remember reading it to my dad at my old house. So my mom and dad had to have been married and they got divorced when I was 6. So, but it was Cat in the Hat. And I think it might have been more in a situation where I had memorized it and was able to read it that way. But I was in kindergarten or reading readiness or one of those grades, and at the point where I was starting to be able to figure out words and sounds and stuff. So, yeah, Cat in the Hat. All right, question number 9, or I'm sorry, question number 10.
Oh, wow.
What is something silly you believed as a child? Ava?
I don't know.
I don't know. You sound like that guy from, what is that movie? Superstore? I don't know.
Oh yeah, from Employee of the Month.
All right, well, we'll answer, and then if you come up with something, you can share it, okay, Ava? All right.
Ariana, what's something silly you believed?
That snake could come up out of your toilet and bite you and try to go to the bathroom. I'm still scared about that.
Nice.
Okay.
I'm still thinking you're gonna have to.
I know something silly for you.
Do you?
Snipe hunting.
Oh, sniping. Yes, everybody got hit with the old snipe.
Oh, I remember that.
Yes.
Your uncles.
That snipe was a real thing.
But that doesn't have to be something silly.
Oh, that is very silly.
It's a good memory.
Mhm.
Ava?
Okay, I heard this on a YouTube video of my favorite YouTubers when I was little. And they're telling scary stories. I'm like, this might be nice. The one girl said, once upon a time, there was a girl who was reading a book and the mom told her to go to bed and she didn't listen to her mom. And something came out of under her bed and took the child. The child was never seen again.
So you believe you get kidnapped if you didn't go to bed when your parents said?
Oh, if you didn't listen to your parents. Yeah.
Clearly you don't believe that anymore.
No,
Nope.
not one bit.
Okay. For me, gosh, I believed for years that if I behaved well enough, and kudos to my mom for this one, if I behaved well enough that I could be an elf at the North Pole and help Santa make toys. Turns out it's application only, not
Yes.
based on just behavior.
Yeah.
Rip off.
Yeah, I can't get past those questions, can you?
But I was a pretty good child until I hit my teenage years.
Yeah.
No, you.
I was a good kid.
Yep.
All right, and then this is the bonus question that Steve picked out. Are you guys ready? Who was your celebrity crush growing up? Justin Bieber?
Every single girl in my class had a crush on him.
Yep. None?
Tobey Maguire.
Tobey Maguire?
I was still very young.
I was going to say, he's still your crush, girl. You're young,
I
you're
have a
young.
new crush.
You have a new crush now? Who's your crush now? Just
Multiple.
one.
Multiple. Put it on the spot.
Weird to say. It's Andrew Garfield.
Andrew Garfield.
From the new
Who is that?
Spider-Man. He
Oh,
played.
the new Spider-Man?
No, he's the middle one.
We're going to have like a good old Spider-Man reunion.
Mhm.
And you like the newest one, right?
Oh, Tom Holland?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, he's
yeah, he's
cute.
cute.
All right. Steve, who was your celebrity crush?
Alyssa Milano.
And Jennifer Love Hewitt.
Yes. Well, that was more of my teenage, but childhood was Alyssa Milano.
Tina Turner?
Yeah, somebody liked her.
No, wasn't me.
She's a little bit older than our generation, isn't she?
Yes.
Okay. I have no idea. Kevin?
Turner. Okay.
And my first celebrity crush would have been Will Wheaton from Stand By Me.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yep. And then I jumped to Corey Feldman. Big jump.
Big
You know,
jump.
Big jump.
I forgot.
What'd
I
you
think
forget?
there was one before Tobey Maguire. I can't remember his name. The curly guy from Saved by the Bell.
Screech?
Screech.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Zach is much cuter.
Zach was cute too. But so was the sporty guy with the curly hair.
Don't know his name.
Slater.
Yes, Slater. Anyways, guys, that is it. Hope you guys could keep up with us. It was a little chaotic with the windshield wipers and yeah, everybody answering randomly. So thanks for bearing with us. Would not have been a true chaos video if it had, flowed well. So anyways, again, thank you all for joining us. If you would like to join in on this tag or a future tag, let me know and I will link your channel down in the description. Or if you don't have a channel, then you can just leave your answers down in the comments. I would love to know your answers as well. All right, guys, look forward to questions from Joan over at Joan's Pointed Plate next week. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye. Say bye, Ava. You're the only one who didn't say bye.
Yeah.
Nah. Bye, guys.